Hello guys, welcome to the security guard training. This course is brought by www.securityguardexam.com. Today's topic is fire extinguisher. Categories of the firefighting equipment. There are the two types of firefighting equipments, one portable, the another is fixed. Example of portable equipment: fire extinguisher, fire blanket, fire bucket, sand, powder or liquid. The fire bucket can contain sand, can contain powder or the liquid. Example of fixed equipment: sprinkler system, hose drill, hydrant. Types of fire extinguisher. There are the four types of fire extinguisher: 1 water, 2 foam, 3 CO2, 4 DCP. Use of fire extinguisher on the type of fire. Water extinguisher can use for Class A fire. Foam type of extinguisher can use Class A and B fire. CO2 can use B, C, E fire. DCP can use for all type of fire A, B, C, D and E. If you don't know the classification of the fire, so I request you to watch my first video, because there I have described all the categories of the fire or the classification of the fire. Okay, safety instruction. Okay, when you are handling the fire extinguisher, you should take your own safety. Here are the some instructions that can helpful for you. Don't use the water extinguisher on the flammable liquid fire. The fire can spread. When using the foam to fight a fat and wildfire, aim to the side and allow the foam to spread over the base of the fire. CO2 is a compressed gas and will blow solid fuel around, spreading the fire. Never use the fire extinguisher on the person. Key information: extinguisher control of fire by smothering and cooling the fire. All fire extinguishers have a pressure gauge except for CO2. The content of the fire extinguisher are known as a agent. How to inspect a fire extinguisher? Visible damage to the cylinder or valve. Last technical inspection and next due date. Correct pressure reading on the gauge. Agent level clearly marked and facing out. Any issue with the fire extinguisher should be reported. Okay, these are the 5 things you should take when you are inspecting the fire extinguisher in your workplace. Extinguisher color: water red, foam cream, CO2 black, DCP blue. Here in the picture you can see their CO2 has a black strap, foam has a cream, and dry powder has a blue, and water has a red. Okay, I'm not talking about the cylinder body, but there is a one symbol, one strap that is marked according to the type of fire extinguisher. The effective range of fire extinguisher. The water fire extinguisher can effective for 10 to 12 meter, foam type 3 meter effective, CO2 1 to 3 meter effective, DCP or dry powder 2 to 6 meter effective. You should aware of the effectiveness of the fire extinguisher, because you can use it as a proper way. Use of the fire extinguisher is a pass. The PASS pass is the method of using fire extinguisher. There is a full form. P means pull. Pull the safety pin from the lever. A means aim. Aim the nozzle direct to the base of the fire. S means squeeze. Squeeze the active the trigger. S sweep. Sweep the nozzle side by side. Okay, this is a Standard method of using the fire extinguisher. Pass is the method of fire extinguisher using. How to use the fire blanket? Remove the blanket from its pouch. Grip the blanket at the corner. Your fingers should be behind for your protection. Place the blanket directly over the source of fire. Keep your head behind the blanket to protect against heat and flame. Okay, this is the simple method. How should we use the fire blanket to extinguish the fire? Use the fire blanket on a person. If there is a fire on the person, you can use the fire blanket to extinguish it. Here is a simple way you have to follow. Stop, don't run away, drop, fall the ground. Okay, you have to fall on the ground, roll. You may use the fire blanket and wrap it around the person to help stop the fire. Okay, this is the one method to use the fire blanket if there is a fire on a person. Thank you for watching. At last, I request you to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon because you will not miss any video. You will get a notifications when a new video is uploaded in my channel. And last, like our video if you love it, and share the video if you think this is the useful for your friend, family member, or whatsoever. Thank you. See you and bye.